In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Siri's voice to male or female. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Settings and there scroll down until you find Siri and Search. And there get into Siri Voice. Now there I got British variety of English, and also I got here two Siri voices. I can change variety to American to get more
Siri.
voices.
Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And now I can hit add any voice to see how it sounds like.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
And in that way I can switch between different voices, listen how it sounds, and if I like some voice I can just wait until this voice is downloaded on that device. Now you see that voice is downloading. The process can take some time because the voice file is quite big. It can take up to 500 megabytes, and when it downloaded you can use your new voice with your Siri. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.